Well, go on, machine man doing machine things here at the Nama Show 2025. So I got the Skittles machine here. First time seeing one of these, and I must try it out, guys. Let's go. Alright, so touch the screen. Start here. Alright. 95. Select. Alright, we got layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. So I'm gonna choose 5 different flavors. My daughter's gonna love this. Let's go. Alright. Start picking? Yeah. Bottom, I'm doing strawberry for number 1. Number 2, let's go lime. Number 3, we're going wildberry. No, I'm gonna leave like wildberry for last. Let's do original mix. Can't lose the original mix. You're right, fam. You're right. Number 4, wildberry. No, wildberry's last. Let's go lime. And then wildberry. Let's pay. Let's go. Check this out.
You gotta click cash or card.
Cash. Check this out. What you do first? Take strawberry first. Woo. Let's go. Got the lime. This is fire. Lime. And then we're gonna save the best for last. The wildberry mix. Done? Woohoo! Check it out, guys.
Let me get one of those puppies.
Let's go. Oh, make sure you follow. Tell me your channel, man.
Vending guy Ethan, follow me on YouTube.
That's what's up. Content creators gotta show each other love. Skittles, it is what it is, man. Boom, machine man signing up.